She's adjusted position, so people are busy doing kitten things, sucking places, snuggling in. Mum's purring away. Get out of my way, get out of my way. Sure there's a nipple here somewhere. Come on, where is it? Where is it? I know it's here somewhere. Come on. Come on, nose, find it. Come on, nose, find it. You're in such the wrong place, you silly monkey. That's it, get out of the way. Let me have a go on that. Got it. Let me have a go on that. Yeah, there's you poor old thing shoved off out of the way. Good job you're not starving. Oh, Auntie Noodle's just got in. Can't bear to be left out, can you know, eh? You can't bear to be left out, eh? Are you looking after them? Yeah, you want to, don't you? You want to? Yeah, of course you do. You want to. I'd like to be in there too, all snuggled up. It looks nice and cosy and warm. Hey.